Today in the hauler, we're going to put a new vanity top with a piece of leftover countertop from our kitchen. And as you can see down in here, I've already taken the old vanity top off, had to bust it. I'll try to show a picture of it in a little bit. Just your old basic porcelain vanity top, but I've got all the water unhooked in the drain. Here's my trap, just laying in there, so we're going to try to get knuckles deep in this and get it finished today, hopefully. When I first started doing this video, I had plans on making it a DIY, but then my GoPro died and just nothing was going right, so this ended up taking me about 2 days because I had to make a few trips back and forth to Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Ace, just anywhere and everywhere. But here it is. Vanity top made out of the kitchen countertops with a vessel sink. A little tip. If you're doing one, go ahead and bring your bowl back a little closer to the faucet than I did, because it's kind of just at an awkward place. I splashed water out of the back of it because of it. But under here, there's my drain hole. With these, I just had to drill 2 holes. I think that one was 1.5 inches and that one was 1 3/4 inches. That was it. Everything ran through just those holes. Used the flexible slip pipe because I didn't even think to try to measure that out, but I'm going to replace that one with a side discharge to just have a little air so it will drain better. But yeah, just use these little $10 hole saw bits from Harbor Freight that cut out everything. But there you have it. It's a vessel sink on an old kitchen countertop. Make sure if you're doing a vessel sink to get the drain without an overflow. That's also why it drains slow, because there's no air helping the water go down, so it drains painfully slow. So that's why I'm going to put the slip pipe with the side discharge, like for a dishwasher, to help vent it so it'll drain quicker. But other than that, it's a pretty straightforward process. Now you got your cold and your hot and your drain. There you go.